This bird laughed too much devilish laughter. Have you ever seen rare pink dolphins?
Tickle time, love, love, love. Stop. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
This man trying to get his car.
He's trying to get home to your car. Normal parking garage. Nothing crazy. Just walk in.
I am sorry, Babu.
Trying to street ride in the New York City subway.
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone.
Good. Well then...
Oh my God! I can't believe you reached across like that again. I can't even believe it.
This cat learns that we should never mess with the fish.
My loneliness is killing me, and I still believe. Oh my God.
Another bad day at work. Just a man cracking a cold one.
Cheers. Big ears.
Stop it. Get away, you psycho. Stop. I know you're about to bite me.
Always check the weather while going on vacations. That's all for today. I hope I made your day just a little better. So keep spotting, keep commenting and keep going. And thank you and have a nice day.